How to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Once you land on your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now once you're on your profile page, scroll down a bit and navigate to your highlights. Now choose the highlights that you would like to remove or hide on Instagram without deleting. Here I have these highlights right here. Now after you open it up, you will have a more option from the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Here you will get multiple options to remove highlights, to edit, to share, to copy link or to show QR code. From here tap on remove from highlight. Then tap on remove photo. Now if you refresh your page, there you won't be able to view your highlights. So it has been removed or hidden from your profile. Now scroll up again. Then if you tap on three line icon from the top right corner, from here tap on archive. Then if you see in your story archive, your highlights will be still be there. So this is the way to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.